So this is how you can use Trello for project management. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Trello. Today you will learn how to manage your projects. So let's go ahead and scroll down. This is the main website for Trello, by the way. Go ahead and create a new board. I'm just gonna title it as a board. There we go. Once it loads, it's gonna take us to this empty board right here. Now, let me teach you how to add lists and cards and how to organize them. So, a list is like something that organizes your cards, and your cards are the things you have to do. So, for example, you have three lists. The list number one is for your to do list, number two is for ongoing, like projects that you're doing right now, and list number three is for when you finish those projects and you need to have somewhere to place them. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and make this template right now. And as you can see, I've made my lists. Let's go ahead and add a card called project number one and then tap on add card. So, for example, I want to do these lists, these cards on this to-do list. And if I do work on them, I have to move them to ongoing. This shows that I am working on this project right now. And if I finish, all I have to do is put it to finished. And that's pretty much it. It just basically organizes your work for you, and it's a really good, efficient way to help out with the work or with your team. You can even share this board to your members by tapping on share and then making a link and then sending the link to your partners, your members, or the employees that work for your company. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.